gotta try to catch them. I don't know if fish are in here or not. Ooh, that's trouble. But we're gonna find out. Here's a sleeping bag. And there's so much trash here, it's ridiculous. I don't know what's going on. Hey y'all. I say y'all because I'm in Nashville, Tennessee. Just journeyed through these through this thick forest here. So here's the deal. I'm here for a concert. I made an effort to not bring any fishing gear, saying, you know, we're just gonna do what we gotta do, go to the concert, blah blah blah. Well, I saw this nice clear stream right by the house. I mean, I had to walk here because they're all sleeping, but I had to come check it out. And so what did I do? I went to Bass Pro, got me a cheap little rod, the Mega Cast, and I got one bait. Now I figured, what can I catch a fish on, especially if there's a smallie in here? So I got a, you guessed it, a Ned rig. Just went with green pumpkin, most natural color, 1/10 ounce or whatever they call the weights on those. And so I'm going to come in here. 2 requirements for Tennessee fishing, besides fishing gear, is you need to buy a license. I'm an out-of-state resident, so I went ahead and got my 3-day license. I know I'm only fishing for like 1 hour, but it's very important to get your fishing license, so make sure you do that. And also, that's right, cowboy boots. I don't have any other shoes. I don't have any boots. I don't have anything to wade. So looks like I'm wearing cowboy boots today. So I'm only fishing for a little bit. I haven't seen any movement in the water yet. But we're going to give it a try. Stay with me. Hopefully this can turn into a little fun fishing event. And who knows? Maybe I'll catch one. My boots look sexy as hell. So I got that going for me. Alright, I feel like I found what I'm looking for. I feel like a pioneer. Like I'm exploring, except for there's a bunch of houses. I have cowboy boots on and stuff, and a camera. But this gives me like a river runs through it feel. You know, I feel like I stumbled upon an area with current. Maybe a couple pockets. I'm not seeing anything deep enough to hold a smallmouth, and I don't know how cold that water is, but I'm about to find out. Let's do this. There's only one way to achieve my goal, and that's catch a smallmouth bass. And I only have like an hour. So we're gonna have to go for it. You may not be able to handle the boot situation, but it's pretty badass. Okay, so the water's getting in my boots now. Starting to get a good feel of how cold it is, and it's fairly cold, but we're doing it. We're in the water. We're gonna travel down. We're gonna find a pool, and we're gonna catch a smallie. Do or die. Might even find an arrowhead around here. That would be just as cool, I think. I mean, it would be really cool. Oh, this water's getting deeper. This is getting deeper. Shit's getting deep in here. How shallow do smallmouth stay in creeks like this? I wonder. Ooh, actually the water's not like, oh yeah, it's cold, but it's not like super stupid cold. I think I'm going in the right direction. How scary is that? Just walk up on a baby doll. That is the creepiest baby. Oh, that's freaking creepy. I mean, I don't know why it's creepy, it's just creepy. I just walked through and I was so wrong. So wrong about how cold this water is. I am, they took on water. They're holding water. I'm carrying water with me now. Oh man. Some kind of a sucker fish or something right here. I gotta try to catch it. I don't know what they are, probably big creek chubs or something. But I'm gonna try to catch them. There they are. They went downstream. I'm not sure what they are. I lost them. They're still in there. Okay, so I assume these stupid suckerfish are seeing me, which means any smallmouth is going to see me even more. But I'm still on the hunt. They keep going downstream a little bit. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. My boots are full. And I feel like I'm on the verge of something great. Or something. I don't want to get wadded, okay? How beautiful is it? I mean, minus this trash, like all this trash hanging from all the trees. It's beautiful. I mean, all these houses around is kind of not cool, but even with the houses around here, something pristine and magical about a clear creek and chasing fish down it with an ultralight rod. But this is where these coastas come in, man. I've worn different sunglasses, and I don't know which one I like the best, but man, these coastas with that BFL contingency and stuff, if you fish the tournaments, certainly helps you because you can get money back if you do well. But as far as these are concerned, it's a whole big difference when it comes to the glare. I think I'm about to catch a fish. I need to shut up. I need to just shut up and fish. Alright, I'll check back with you. The pristine beauty of shitty tackle. Fishing line screwed up, but I found it. I found the spot. Check this out. Right there, I think is where they're going to be. Hopefully it's about 4 foot deep. And I can get in there. I got a couple of those little sucker fish right here, but they're not biting. So that's where I'm wanting to be, right there. I'm going to get my line all figured out, and I'm going to hit it. Another important thing, I know this is not my state. I know there's trash everywhere. Like, you can't look anywhere and not see trash. I mean, there's a nice little satchel if you need to maybe carry anything. But guys, don't throw your line in the water. No matter what you do, do not leave your line. Don't leave trash. Leave the place with every single thing you brought, and you won't be the problem. So I don't know what the problem is around here, but they have a problem. We're not going to be part of it. So I'm going to shove this in my camera bag. I'm going to get the Ned rig on, and I'm going to go catch my smallmouth before I have to leave. So I'm running out of options. I feel like this is one of my best chances. I don't know. I'm running out. My battery's going dead. I know you can't feel this, but the water is getting colder. My legs are almost numb. I think I'm starting hypothermia, possibly. I feel like this is it. This is possibly it right here. Problem is I haven't seen one. Fairly sure I'm about to get eaten by a crazy bird. Vulture? Turkey vulture? I don't know what the hell that is, dude, but I'm about to get eaten by it. Sucker's he wants to eat me. He just came out of that giant tree. He's like flexing on me, dude. He's like lifting wings and feet. If he comes at me, I'm gonna have to stab him in the heart with my fishing pole. Like, I'm not going down like this. Yeah, he's getting all pissed off. Must be his nest or something. But just so he knows, I gotta go back that way when I'm leaving. But I'm about to the end of my line, I think. I think the issue is, and I wish somebody would have told me before I walked all the way down here, I think the water's just too cold so far. It's not warmed up. Smallmouth haven't kind of traveled up here. If I could find a deeper pool, I'd be alright. I got one more spot down here I might try. But otherwise, I'm about done. So yeah, it's a largemouth. Had to come home to actually catch it. The water was just too cold. The smallmouth hadn't moved up into there, and I'm assuming that's if they even do, but first couple casts at home. The fish are loaded up here. It's been a nice day in the 60s here in Illinois. So I'm gonna keep at it, try to catch a better one, and I appreciate you watching.